Right now, your body is fighting to survive, even if you feel completely normal, because every second of your life, your cells depend on oxygen to function, repair, and stay alive. And the moment that supply drops, even slightly, your body begins to change in ways you can't immediately see. The dangerous part is, most people never notice it happening at first, because your body is incredibly smart. It starts compensating quietly, trying to protect you, and by the time you feel something is off, the process has already been going on for a while. The first sign is something almost everyone ignores. You wake up tired, even after sleeping 7 or 8 hours. You feel like your body never fully recharged, like something is missing. That's because without enough oxygen, your cells can't produce real energy efficiently. Inside your body, tiny structures called mitochondria depend on oxygen to create energy, and even a small drop in oxygen levels can reduce that energy production within minutes. So your body starts working harder, just to keep you functioning normally. But here's where it gets more serious. Your brain is the first organ to feel the effects of low oxygen. Even though it's small, it uses about 20% of all the oxygen in your body. That means any drop, even a small one, affects how you think and feel. You may start noticing headaches that seem to come out of nowhere. Moments of brain fog, where thinking feels slower or less clear. Or difficulty focusing on simple tasks that used to feel easy. These are not random symptoms, they are early warning signals. Now here's a sign that should never be ignored. Shortness of breath, even when you're not exercising. You might be sitting still, doing nothing, and suddenly feel like you need more air. That's your body trying to pull in more oxygen to stay stable. It's not just tiredness, it's your system compensating in real time. Then comes something even more subtle, but just as important. Dizziness, or that strange feeling that your balance isn't fully there, like the world is slightly off, even if everything looks normal. This happens because your brain isn't getting stable oxygen levels, and when oxygen fluctuates, your sense of balance is affected almost immediately. But here's a sign that almost nobody connects to oxygen levels: cold hands and feet, even in a warm environment. Your body is constantly making decisions about where oxygen is needed most. And when supply is limited, it prioritizes your vital organs, your brain, your heart, your lungs, which means your extremities receive less circulation. It's a survival mechanism, and it happens automatically. And then your heart starts to react. You may notice your heart beating faster than usual, or even irregular, without a clear reason. That's because your body is trying to move oxygen faster through your system, pumping blood more quickly to deliver what little oxygen is available. This is not random. It's your body trying to keep you alive. But here's the truth most people miss. All of these symptoms are connected. They are not separate problems. They are part of the same signal. Your body is telling you it needs more oxygen, and if you ignore these signals, your body will continue to struggle. Energy drops further, focus declines, recovery slows down. But if you respond early, your body can recover surprisingly fast. And it starts with something simple: your breathing. Most people breathe too shallow, without even realizing it. Slow, deep breaths allow your lungs to absorb more oxygen efficiently. Even a few minutes of controlled breathing can make a difference. Movement also plays a key role. Even light activity, like walking, improves oxygen circulation, helping deliver oxygen to every part of your body. Fresh air matters more than most people think. Spending time in poorly ventilated spaces can quietly reduce oxygen intake. Opening a window, stepping outside, can instantly help. And your posture affects all of this more than you realize. When you slouch, your lungs can't fully expand. But when you sit or stand upright, your breathing improves naturally. Sometimes the problem isn't obvious at all. You may feel off, but not know why. That's because these signals build slowly over time. But your body always knows what it needs, long before you consciously notice it. And if you start paying attention, you can catch these signals early, because the sooner you respond, the easier it is to fix, and the faster your body returns to full strength, energy, and clarity.